10 incredible water facts you didn't know about. Water is life. It's everywhere around us. Yet most of us don't realize how fascinating and vital it truly is. Today on Exploring Water, we're going to uncover some incredible and scientifically backed facts about water that you probably didn't know. Fact 1. Water covers 71% of Earth's surface. Did you know that about 71% of our planet is covered in water? That's why it's called the blue planet. But here's the catch. 97% of that water is salt water, and we can't drink it. Only about 3% is fresh water, and most of it is locked in glaciers or deep underground, leaving us with just a tiny fraction that's actually usable. Fact 2. Only 1% of Earth's fresh water is usable. Of that 3% of fresh water, only about 1% is accessible for human use. The rest is either frozen in ice caps or buried too deep underground to reach easily. This makes fresh water an incredibly limited resource. Fact 3. Lake Baikal holds 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater. Lake Baikal, located in Siberia, Russia, is the largest freshwater lake by volume on Earth. It holds around 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater supply. Not only that, but it's also the deepest lake in the world, plunging down over 1,600 meters, about 5,300 feet. Fact 4. Average daily water use per person. Water use around the world varies dramatically. In developed countries, the average person uses between 50 to 100 liters of water every day. That's for drinking, cooking, cleaning, and more. But in some parts of the world, people use as little as 10 to 15 liters a day. Fact 5. 785 million people lack access to clean water. Right now, about 785 million people still don't have access to basic drinking water. This means they have to rely on unsafe sources, which often lead to diseases like cholera and diarrhea. Fact 6. Water scarcity predicted for 2025. By 2025, it's predicted that nearly half of the world's population will live in areas with water scarcity. This means they won't have enough water to meet their daily needs, and the situation is only expected to worsen with population growth and climate change. Fact 7. Virtual water, hidden water use in everyday products. Everything we consume requires water to produce, even if we don't see it. For example, it takes around 2,500 liters of water to produce just 1 kilogram of rice. A single kilogram of beef? That takes 15,000 liters. And that morning cup of coffee you enjoy? That takes about 140 liters of water to produce. This hidden water is known as virtual water. Fact 8. The human body is 60% water. On average, the human body is made up of about 60% water. Water plays a critical role in regulating your body temperature, transporting nutrients, and keeping all your organs functioning properly. Fact 9. The average water footprint in the U.S. is 2,200 gallons per day. In the United States, the average person uses around 2,200 gallons of water per day. This includes all the water that goes into producing the food we eat, the clothes we wear, and the products we buy. By comparison, in countries like India, the average water footprint is around 1,300 gallons per person per day. Fact 10. Angel Falls is the tallest waterfall on Earth. Angel Falls in Venezuela is the tallest waterfall in the world, with a height of nearly 1,000 meters, or 3,212 feet. The water plummets from a tabletop mountain deep in the rainforest, creating one of the most breathtaking natural wonders on Earth. Water is more than just something we drink. It's an irreplaceable resource that touches every aspect of our lives, from the ecosystems that rely on it to the products we use every day. Understanding water's true value is the first step toward conserving it for future generations. Thanks for watching Exploring Water. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more fascinating water facts.